Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, matagal-tagal na akong hindi ako nagbi-video. Matagal na akong hindi na ako nag-post ng video dahil alam mo, may sakit po naman ako. I have a really bad cough kasi nauubo palagi naman ako dahil sa pagkapawis ko dun. So, if you guys remember, na napawisan po ako sa party ng daddy ko. If you guys haven't watched my vlog, check that out on my YouTube channel. So ngayon, gagawin ko naman ngayon ay this time is another life story naman. Or should I say, not a life story. But yes, para sa akin, gagawa po ako ng isang New Year's resolution po. So, yung New Year's resolution ko po dun ay, I just really wanted to become a famous singer or an artist. Mas maganda naman sa akin yun, pero yung pag-a-artista ko po, parang I'm not even really good how to act yet. But I admit, natutunan po ako doon, yung mga pag-aarte po doon sa mga dramas. Pati na rin sa mga pelikula, nagsasagot pa ako ng mga sa pamilya ko, ganon. These are really one of my New Year's resolutions here. Yan ang unang resolutions ko po doon ay keep making videos, earning a lot of money, gumawa ng pera, magkaroon ng pera, ganon. Really like famous YouTubers or like billionaires. And then a healthy lifestyle. Just really wanted to be fit and strong, just like bodybuilders. Ganon, bodybuilders. After this, oh yes, getting enough sleep. Yes. Natutulog palagi ako ng umaga. Natutulog ako in the right of time. And after this, pagkatapos doon, yung isa pang New Year's resolution ko po ay spending time with families and making a lot of friends here in Bulacan. Nung paglipat ko na po dito sa Bulacan, masyadong konti pa lang yung kinilala ko dun eh. Until my social circle extended. Thanks to my old classmates, my old schoolmates, mga dati kong kaklase. Thank you for being a lot of friends. Thank you for being friends with me throughout the end. I'm never gonna forget you guys. Excuse me, a little tough here. So, yung New Year's resolution po, gusto ko talaga, I really wanted to continue my good lifestyles, maintaining a good balance through my life and music. Making music while maintaining a good lifestyle. And so before I really wanted to conclude my video, I just really wanted to give a shout out to my old friends there. So if you're really listening here, watching this right now, my dear subscribers, new and old, this is going to be my last, or should I say, not yet the last video. This is not the end of me. This is not the end of me, okay? This is not the end. It's of 2025. This is going to be my last video of 2025, and I'm gonna see you next year, 2026. And that's it all for today, everyone. Peace out, and thank you guys for watching.